Hey, I'm one of the co-founders of Zorbi, and I'm going to teach you how to use our text-to-speech feature to learn languages. So we'll go ahead and open up our sidebar. Make sure you've selected your deck and set up your card. So we'll send this to the front and hit Option S to send that to the back. And the first time you hit the text-to-speech button, you'll be asked to set up your language settings. So we'll select Chinese Mandarin, submit, and you'll just have to select it again. And now it's a text-to-speech word. So I'll click it to load the audio.
我们回家看电视吧。
Okay, that sounds pretty good. Let's reverse that card and we'll go ahead and add it. Now we'll go into Zorbi to review it. So you can see we've got two cards to study today. One's going to be the normal version of this flashcard and one's going to be the reversed. So we'll start studying.
我们回家看电视吧。
As you can see, the audio auto plays. Then you can hit show answer and compare your answer. So say it was okay. And now you've got the reversed version.
我们回家看电视吧。
This is really good because it lets you compare your pronunciation against the text-to-speech pronunciation, which is fairly realistic. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.